Hey friends, how to see Google Photos in another phone? For this, take your phone or phone of your partner and open Google Photos. Then in bottom menu, tap Sharing. Here you can choose to share some or all of your photos automatically, and you can share with partner. Tap Share with Partner. First step, select your partner. The second step, choose what you want to share. In this step, we can share all of your or your partner's photos automatically. Let's get started. If it is your phone, choose your partner, or if it is your partner's phone, choose your account. For this, choose it from suggestions or type your mail. Then grant access to all photos or photos of specific people. I choose all photos and then tap Next in right top corner. Confirm that all of your partner's photos, including all the photos that are backed up in the future, and the location where your partner shared photos were taken, and send invitation to you. Invitation sent, and let's change account. Or you can make it in another phone. And all your photo from the first account, first phone, will be here in the second account in the second phone.